Already sweaty. Dead fly. I would be looking at school every day. Okay, the camera lens. Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and I haven't taken a shower in a long time, so excuse myself, but this is how I look at school every day. I mean, I have bangs, but they're really oily, so I'm not gonna put them out. But it's summer, so I was like, okay, end of year backpack. Yes, so I've emptied it out like a week ago. Sorry for my hair, I have not even brushed it, but this is my backpack. I did a beginning of the year, and now this is the end of year, so it's not as full as it usually would be. Sometimes I have random things in here, like a big 2-liter soda, and sometimes I have like merch in here, so it's very resourceful. I'm gonna start off by saying this is Tommy Hilfiger, and it's last me throughout the year. It fits anything and everything in here. So this is the first pocket, and the bottom looks like that. It's not as bad as my last year's backpack. I'm just gonna start taking out stuff, and I probably should have a trash bag. We have something attached to my backpack by gum. My testing room, I had 812. I have some pencils, which is actually really weird. I've never like had a pencil all year, but I finessed this from a teacher. So this one has no lead, so that is trash, and it's all nasty. You can see on it, it's like, it has crap all over it. This is a pencil that actually has an eraser, and I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm gonna keep that. Then I have an eyelash curler that doesn't have a thing in it, so I used to get like paper and put the paper in here and then curl my lashes with that. So then I have some best tickets, and these are like things you can like buy candy with from teachers or stuff like that, because we're middle schoolers and we're immature, don't say that, and we like to spend free. I don't know. I have this, which is a little sticker my friend gave me on Halloween. This is some gum. It's absolutely disgusting. No! I'm recording the video out here.
You can know.
It's not like that bad, but I don't know why they have it as gum. So I just had that in there that I got on sale. I have another pencil and another pencil, and this is like really rare. Of course, this one's broken. There's a bug on me. Then I have this chapstick that has stuff all over it. Then I have a highlighter, because at the beginning of the year I actually had supplies. This is still useful. I probably used it once. Then I have a knife from the cafeteria that I colored and erased in here, because there was this boy and I used to hate him, so I would threaten him with this knife, and then he like got mad at me for some reason. Then I have some more best tickets that are encrusted in dirt. I have this pen, Texas A&M, it's Ashland's. Then there's this pen, and it actually still works, and this is the only pen that I've maintained all year, even though look how disgusting it is. Then I have some cash, because I always walk around with cash in my hands at school. I'm like this, and that's why people hate me, but you gotta flex. This is why I have no friends. You can see my knee over here. This one, the cap is falling off. What even is that? That's not glue, that's like, okay, that's disgusting. Why is my money in the trash pile? Okay, this one I'm not even gonna like touch, because it's gross. I can't even touch it. I don't even know how it gets this dirty. Like, what do I put in here? And I have some more and more. Then I have my Algebra ESC results, and I missed 11 questions. I still got mastery. We love a smart queen. And then this note my friend gave me, keep your head high all the time, with the heart. But it is really dirty, but I kept it just because she's really sweet. Then I have the Better Than Mama Let Me Say mascara, and this is always in my backpack because I always reapply makeup, and it has like mascara all around the edges of it. Pretty gross, but it still works really good. Always gotta be looking good. I have this charcoal pencil. I have a pen, a half of one. I love when the glue shrivels up like that. It's really cute. I have half of a knife, again, that I used to threaten him with. I found clean ones. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite teacher too. So she lets us sit in these beanbags, but we can only use her best tickets, but I've always been cheating the system. But I actually found some that she gave me. I think she literally gave me these the other day. So they're really clean, and they were in the bottom of my backpack, and I'm really excited about that. I'm not gonna show her name, but I bought her makeup this year because I love her so much. Then, oh, sis, no, a Jolly Rancher. Bet at school if I was hungry enough, I would eat that. I have a candy cane. Y'all really thought my backpack was probably like clean. Like my backpack is the worst. I'll be cleaning it out during class and like kids will like come over to watch me. I have this eraser that my science teacher gave me. There's beer salt all in the bottom of this. Whoa, 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 whoa. If my dog tries to, love, no, please. Ow, ow. This, I don't know if you can see it clearly. Look at that. That is the most disgusting thing. Got another one, but it's not bad. Another one and another one. Then I got this pen. Oh, look, finesse some food. This isn't even that old. It's from Valentine's Day or Easter. Easter was in April. It's May. January, March, April, May, June. It's June. I'd still eat that at school, like literally. Oh, this one is bad. Oh my gosh, I just turned this over and salt just fell out. Poor Tommy, he deserved better. Oh my gosh, I had a Starburst that I didn't even eat. Found the other half of the knife, or a third of it. Another Jolly Rancher. Ooh, got some coin. I'm gonna keep this. Got it's a quarter. Be out here being broke. On the other third, the knife. Bet my dogs start eating that. It's salt everywhere. It literally looks like a desert. This is all we needed. This is all we had. And while I'm at it, I don't even know if you can see in there, but that's that. We're gonna go in the big pouch, and this one is better. I swear it's not as dirty. So first we have this little pouch in the front. I'm just gonna go through there. I have a Burt's Bees chapstick or whatever, and then a bunch of miscellaneous junk. Next we have actual goodies. So we have these NYX Tea Tree blotting paper, and I use this all the time. Might as well do it now. Like, this is me during school. Like, I just start doing this, and then people come around me, can I have one? I'm like, yes sis. So I just pass out oil blotting sheets. Ooh, and then this pocket is actually clean. There's no dirt in here, but there is a lot of trash. So zip her up, save her for next year. Ooh, we got a tardy D-haul. I'm not gonna show any of the information, but I got a D-haul, which means you stay after school for detention. And yeah, this just, I have like 50 of these, but I always throw them away, even though I still go. Haley Moreno, that was my name for the day. Haley Moreno. I have a summer bucket list. Me and Ashlyn just made this. It's actually really cute. I don't know if you can see it, but sleep outside, go to the river, go to a big party, stay up all night, stay with each other for over a week, go on a walk through the neighborhood, go to the park with friends, go on a picnic, stay in the pool/hot tub past 2 a.m. Go out of town together, go tubing on the river, stay at a hotel together, walk to Haley's house, eat so much we throw up, get dressed up fancy and go downtown, have photo shoots by the pool with like bubbles and stuff. So that's really cute. I'm gonna keep that because we're making it on a big poster board because the summer is gonna be lit. Have some pretzels from the STAR test. Oh, I forgot to give this back to my teacher. He doesn't want this back. It's really disgusting. But it's like study guide for the STAR test, and it helped me like get an A on it. So really love that teacher. I'm not allowed to say the name probably. What was the major effect of the Second Great Awakening? Inspired people to join reform movements. So basically, yeah. Then we have, I'm gonna cross out all the information. And as you can see, it looks like the Ouija board. So me and my friends use this as an Ouija board at school, and it was really fun. Here's some food that I've been eating on for like half the year. I have a note that says, I have a book that I never turned in, and I'm probably not gonna be able to go to high school. Oh, another tardy. I have a shirt that has been in my gym locker for half of the year, and an eyelash that's just on it too. It smells disgusting. It smells like vinegar. Oh my gosh, that smells so bad. I'm gonna throw up. That smells disgusting. Oh my gosh. Look at this. All of that is in there. I found a hoop. No, that's not a hoop. I thought this was a hoop. That is literally my life. I'll just do the papers. I'm not gonna pull all that out. We have an algebra paper. I would turn it in like that too. I never did this. I'm so smart. I didn't know how to do this because I've been absent like the whole year. Progress report, 89 in algebra, 89 in Spanish. I had an A in gym. I had a 90 in gym. Surprising. 99 in art, 96 in language arts because she loves me, 94 in science, and 92 in history. Your girl out here making grades. I used to never make these. And then all of a sudden I got one and I gave up. But in high school I'm actually gonna try because I'm trying to get to A&M. I have this spring review. I did all this. These are all the books that are due at my school. $40 worth. I'm gonna have to pay $40. Spanish thingy I was supposed to turn in and never did. Another thing that was notes that I was supposed to review for the final that I got a 92 on. This is literally how you're gonna be in middle school. Like if you're in 6th grade right now and you like do your homework every night, like it's not gonna be like that. These are my next year courses. PACE, English, Human Geography, Horizon AP, Biology. I'm not doing PE, doing Health, Art 2, Supposed Culture, and Lunch. You already know how it be. I failed this test. I got like a 75. This is a coloring page my friend Sarah gave to me. My dream job is to be a video maker or be a vet. I need to focus on my grades to get into A&M. I will need a high education so that I am skilled. I can do this by not having bad friends. I need a support system from my family. And I want to do this so I can help my family with money and help people with their pets or help make people happy. That's sweet. And then on the back, me and my friend were playing 20 questions. Then I have notebooks. This is my algebra notebook that I completely filled up to the back pages. Like, then this one I'm not gonna show the front of because somebody wrote on it that I don't like. I'm gonna throw that away too. Another tardy. This is my iconic paintbrush. So I meant to give this back to my art teacher by the end of the year and I never did, but I used to go around and like tickle people with this and they would all love it. It was so weird. So I'm just gonna keep that. This is disgusting. Now in this other pocket right here I have, oh, I cannot show that. I have a ton of markers and then just personal items that I cannot show on camera because I could get sent to jail. Just kidding, but I'm just kidding. I don't have a gun in here or a knife or anything to threaten anyone with. Yeah, so I'll show y'all this. Like, I don't understand how it got this bad. But yeah, that's my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow my socials, they'll be in the description down below. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.
Away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just a minute late now.